I'm gonna go under the bridge, up, over the yellow thing, down under this, come over, and I'm gonna smack that. Right here, underneath, and go up. Yes. Oh! Fucking get some! Just doing this to just try this out and might make a YouTube video out of it. But who knows? Because might have some actual drones to play around with at a range day. So that might be pretty cool. Doing a little range day with some drones, that'd be pretty fun. Oh, I should probably bring down the music. Yeah, that'd probably be better. I should be able to hear me talk. But yeah, so I feel like this might be pretty cool. The fuck? Huh, that one actually got some air. Huh. Okay, so what the fuck is going on with this damn thing? I got the fucking thing. Finally, fucking A. Finally, holy fucking shit. That should be one right there, yep. I got one, okay, cool. Yes! Okay. That's nice. I'm getting the hang of it. Direct impact. Fuck yeah. Yes! Finally! Fuck you! There we go. Fuck yeah! Fucking hey, fuck you! Fuck you! There we go. Final. Ah, thank God. Yes! Yes!
Soldiers, congrats, you shattered the enemy to pieces.
Fuck! Direct impact.
Will you take me with you?
Let's get inside. Alright, cool. I think that's gonna be it for me. I had fun playing with this. It was cool. We out. That's kind of crazy. I would've shot that motherfucker. Come back. Come back. That would be a turret toss. Like in real life, you would. There's no fucking way. I call bullshit. Alright, let's just hit it from above. Alright, yep, it's gone. Alright, let's see these motherfuckers. Dove it down and didn't dive. should have threw a personnel one on because I have stuck an RPG 7 warhead. See if it does. See if it did the damage. Just gotta direct hit that guy. All right. Let me get the fucking. Don't worry, APC, I'll get you next. Yeah, thermal barrack. There it is. I noticed that this one worked better when I was doing like in the city shit. So there we go. Fucking A. Thermal barrack, combust that fucking air and send that dude into pieces. Thought I hit the tree, so I kind of gave up. Okay. Oh shit, he was on. I got him. I thought he was on the other side. I thought he stayed over there on the other side of the fucking truck. Hey Nino, what's up? What's up, sweetie? Hey Nino. Here comes one of my cats. She's on the mic. What's up, mama? Direct impact. Smoke that dude. Hey, mama. You saying hi? Oh, you want to get in my lap again? Oh, of course you do. Come here, mama. Here she is. You're in my lap now. There you are. Yeah, you're a purr box. Bye-bye. There we are. So this dude is out here. Really? Yeah, right there. Dude, I got two? Oh, cool. That was nice. Double kill. Alright, let's do this dude. Okay. Closer trench. I hit the further end of the trench. Okay. Alright, let's just do it at the very beginning of the trench. Let's give this guy like trivium. Death from above. Let's get it. Oh, okay, no, I thought I fucked that one. Fun. He shot the fucking drone too. He actually shot it. I'll give him credit. Hey buddy, tried reaching you about your car's extended warranty. Okay, that one dude in the back is still alive. What? I seen the thermal moving. I still got him? I hit the tree though. I got robbed. Come here, Daniel. Get up here. Okay, very good now. Stop falling. Bye-bye. All right. That's excellent result. Got them all. Killed.